Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making chocolate dipped strawberries and it is perfect for anybody who has a sweet tooth. To begin, transfer a couple of fresh strawberries from a box to a bowl so that we will wash and use them. Personally, I chose 10. In a sink, wash all of the strawberries thoroughly. If there is some water left on the strawberries, it will affect the consistency of the chocolate. Next, grab a dry towel and put your strawberries on top of it and dry it until there is no water on it. In the bowl, fill it up with chocolate chunks/chips. I used chocolate candy melt because that was the only thing I had. Next, microwave it in 15-second intervals, otherwise you will scorch the chocolate. After the first 15 seconds, mixing it around with a spoon, it should start feeling a little warm. After microwaving it on 15 seconds on low again, it should start to become a little soft. Now, after microwaving it on 15 seconds for a third time, it should start to begin melting, or to the point where you can turn it into a paste. Now, add a teaspoon of vegetable oil, and for the last time, microwave on low for 15 seconds. After that, and mixing it with a spoon, it should now have the consistency of a chocolate dip. To make the drizzle, add white chocolate to a standard sized sandwich bag. Now, microwave the bag for 15 seconds on low. You also want to ensure that the bag is sealed tight. After the first 15 seconds, the bag should start to soften up quite a bit. After the second 15 seconds, it should soften to the point where you can squish it into a paste. Next, you also want to put 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil because we need the drizzle to be runny. After microwaving it on 15 seconds for a last time, it should be runny enough to the point where your drizzle is ready. Next, place a pan and some parchment paper so that the chocolate does not stick. Now you can begin coating your strawberries in chocolate and let them rest on the pan. They will eventually harden until it becomes solid. Repeat the process until you have dipped all of your strawberries. Now to use a drizzle, cut a very small hole with a scissor at the corner of the bag so that we can drizzle over the chocolate. Mine isn't exactly the best because I only used half a teaspoon instead of 1, and I also cut too big of a hole. After the chocolate hardens, you now have chocolate dipped strawberries, perfect for a Mother's Day gift.